Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got a freebie alert video to share with you. It's only going to be a little short one, but it's just to let you know that Dear magazine has been released. This is what it looks like, and you've got some freebies here. So as you can see, this magazine costs £3. I'll open this up and see what I got. Now these magazines get released seasonally. Also, I thought there was a summer one, there was an autumn one, and there was a winter one not so long ago, a couple of months ago, and now we've got winter 2020. So I'm expecting the next one to be spring, but who knows, there could be one in between. I don't know. Previously the magazines have been great, they're good to read, there's some interesting articles and things like that. It's all to do with Superdrug, and also the beauty products have been really good as well. But this month we've only got 3. I'm not moaning, they are free. I keep getting confused with my words. They are free, so I'm not moaning at all, but in previous magazines we have had a few more in there. But let's see, there's a big page normally inside the magazine telling you of the products that you could get. So I'll just open it up and show you. So these are my freebies. So we've got a Colgate Plaques Cool Mint mouthwash, and we've got 100 mils there. So that's the first item. Then we got some plasters. We got some Patch Natural Bamboo Strip plasters, and there's 2 there. And then we've got something that I'm excited about. It's Revolution, and it's the liner, and this is waterproof, smudge proof, intense black felt tip liner, and yeah, it's cruelty free and vegan. I'm not sure if I've had one of these before, if I've tried it. I have had a few liners from Revolution, but that's fine, I don't mind. I love liquid eyeliner. I always wear cat eyes, so I love trying new ones, I love trying old ones, I don't mind. So I've got a nice little stash of them now, because they don't last long, because obviously they're liquid, they dry up. Whoa, that nib is quite long. That is quite a long nibbler. Let's try my hand. Yeah, it's nice. Nice, nice. So a black liquid eyeliner there. So that's my 3rd freebie in the magazine. So let's look in here then to see what else you can choose. I know I got mine from Tesco, and there was about 10, 11 or so magazines, and I did go through them all, but they all seem to have exactly the same beauty products in them. You normally got quite a big selection that you can choose from, but no, Tesco's is exactly the same. So there's 6 products in all that are featured in the magazine. Just give you a quick close-up there. I'll just read them through. So I've got the Revolution liquid eyeliner, I've got the Colgate Cool Mint mouthwash, and I've got the Patch plasters as well. So you could also get a Superdrug charcoal toothpaste, or a Roots Invisible spray. Oh, that's quite cool actually, I fancy that. Or a Superdrug Naturally Radiant Brightening Hot Cloth Face Cleanser. Oh, that's quite nice as well. They sell them in any place really that sells magazines. So I've seen them in Aldi, Morrison's, W.H. Smith. As I said, I bought mine from Tesco. So anywhere that normally sells magazines and newsagents and so on, that you probably find these. These have been out for the last week or 2, so I know previous magazines have sold out pretty fast, but yeah, it all depends on the freebies, doesn't it? It all depends. But I think for £3 you've got a pretty decent magazine, and you've got those items as well. So yeah, so I just give you a close-up of what the front cover looks like. So there you go. So just a quick short video just to let you know that this magazine is now released. Please let me know if you've bought this magazine and your thoughts on it, especially how it compares to previous magazines as well. But yeah, all your comments I'd love to read. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.